So it's Monday, the 23rd of January 2023, and I am starting a brand new project. Now, as you know, I've got the glass on glass applique garden table project that I have been working on. It's in the hallway, you see, it's on the landing. Look, there it is. There you go, look. So what I'm going to do is give that a little bit of a break and reflect on what I need to do with this next. But actually, nothing's wasted. This is going to be the inspiration for the commission I've just been given. I say just, I mean a couple of months ago. But now is the time to start it. So I've got the design I did for the garden table here. And what I've done is put it on this board here. Now I'll show you that in a minute, but my friend Deb has asked me to create a mosaic for her fireplace. Can you see the fireplace? So it's this area here. So it's kind of 4 foot by about 3 foot approximately. So that's the riser, as it were. That's the one that's the board that we're going to use against the wall. And it's a 12mm piece of plywood that I've had cut up. Now, what I've done is used a little bit of carbon paper to trace out some of the drawing lines from the design as my starting point. So that's what I mean by nothing's wasted. So by working with my glass table, it's inspired me to use the design for this board. And what is the theme? Well, the theme is burning of the clocks. It's a festival that Brighton has taken to their hearts at solstice. So it's a winter solstice celebration, and burning of the clocks is about coming of the old, departing of the old, coming of the new, and a new start and a new beginning for the next, towards spring, really. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that as this reminds me of flame-like shapes, I'm going to use that as my starting point. Now this is like Deb's project. This is my colour palette. So not necessarily going to use all of these, but it is the starting point. Now, it just so happened that I found some plates with clocks on it. So how lucky is that? So I found 4 plates and I've cut out the clocks, and there's lettering around the edges as well. So I might literally have the words burning of the clocks. I've also got some lettering, some old cracked and chipped plates. So I might use that in different shaped kind of font sort of thing. So I've got lots of bits and pieces that may or may not be used, but there are some deliciousness. Now, our Deb really likes blues and sort of like 1950s kind of funky colours sort of thing. So I did find this that I thought would be a good inspiration point for colourways as well. So I think I'm probably going to use these 3 colours. And I might use a little bit of russet as well. Now I've got a bit of this Cathy Winkle plate, which I've cut up into shapes. So, these could be the undulations that I use. And I've got some lovely iridescence and some gold tiles. You can buy these online in mosaic, or not mosaic shops, but sort of tile shops, really. So this is gorgeous, and I'll probably be cutting them in half and then having them shaped. So who knows where it'll go, really. So that I just love these little textured ones as well. And I'll be probably using my Rewmar Flexy Fix usual, and yeah, that's the main glue I'm going to be using. So yeah, so this is what I've got as my inspiration point, and maybe some beads as well. So I've got some nice mustard coloured beads. So yeah, you can see what I've got here. So this is the start of a new project, so I thought I'd share it with you. So this is Caroline Jerrywaller, Mango Mosaics, over and out. See you soon.